Hello, welcome to Academiq AI. Have you ever wanted to explore different perspectives on a topic? Like, if you agree with the topic, then what about the other side? Yes, well, in this video, we will introduce you to Disagree with Me, which means contradict me tool that offers the other side of an idea, other side of a viewpoint or opinion. Yes, now to get started, you have to first look for this tool named Disagree with Me. Once you find this, you have to click on it, and all that you have to write is the topic that you want, on which you want the other perspective, the contradictory perspective. Let's say, okay, the topic is social media is good for us. Okay, now this is what I think. Now I want this tool to give me the other perspective. I want this tool to tell me social media is not good for me, right? That is it. I've written the topic. Now I'm simply going to click on generate, and within seconds I will have the contradictory view at length ready to see the different perspective of this topic. Yes, so I hope you can see it's here, exploring the downsides of social media, a critical perspective. Now, I hope you can see that it has given me the, drawbacks, the downsides of social media at length, starting from historical perspectives to mental health to, information distortion, etc. Isn't it fantastic? Yes? Great. So thanks for watching. Try Disagree with Me, which is contradict me today at Academiq AI, and enrich your understanding of complex issues. Happy exploring.